Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your website robots.txt for affiliate tracking. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred text editor or code editor. Locate your existing robots.txt file on your web server. If you don't have a robots.txt file, create a new one in the root directory of your website. Open the robots.txt file in your text editor. Begin by understanding the syntax of the robots.txt file. This file uses specific directives to control how search engine crawlers interact with your site. Look for existing user agent specifications in your file. These specify which web crawlers the rules apply to. To track affiliate links, you will want to add rules that allow crawlers to access certain parts of your site. For example, start by adding a user agent line. This line identifies which crawlers your rules will apply to. Next, add a disallow directive for any directories or pages that you don't want crawlers to index. Make sure to keep affiliate tracking links accessible by not disallowing their directories. Consider adding allow directives for any specific pages you want indexed. Using the allow directive ensures that important pages remain visible to crawlers. If your affiliate links are in a specific directory, use the allow directive for that directory. Once you've made your changes, review the file for any syntax errors. Save the updated robots.txt file. Upload the updated file back to your web server if needed. To verify your changes, open a browser and go to yourwebsite.com/robots.txt. Check that the rules are displaying correctly. It's also a good idea to use Google Search Console to test your robots.txt file. Navigate to the Robots Testing tool in the console. This will help ensure the changes are working as intended. Make any necessary adjustments based on the test results. Once you're satisfied, your updated robots.txt file is ready to optimize affiliate tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.